Hi, so Arduino released this new software, Arduino version 2.0. If you were using the Arduino Create, which is Arduino IDE but online, then this isn't gonna be such a big deal, because Arduino 2.0 is practically an Arduino Create but offline. So today we will talk about the difference between the new Arduino and the older one. So the first difference is the looks. You can immediately see it. All the past Arduino softwares looked exactly the same, and it was kind of fine for some time, but you need to change things up and it was really hard to do that. You could do it in preferences and download some stuff, but the new update just solves it. You can just set your theme and it's done. And the themes are pre-installed, so you don't have to download anything or go through anything. Just go to preferences, click on theme, choose your theme, and that's it. Remember that thing that happened in the last versions of Arduino IDE when you wanted to upload your software but there was a mistake in it, and it wanted to alert you about this mistake, but it was horribly bad, and now you just get normal message that you have mistake somewhere. The second big difference is that everything is organized now and you can, find everything easily. They added this left sidebar that should make things organized, I guess. I don't know, it doesn't really work. It just takes 1/3 of your screen and gives you slightly quicker access to the functions. I mean, it's nice, but I think it's kinda useless. So the third difference is the uploading process, and this one is kinda neat actually, because in the older versions you had to pick your board, then the window would die, literally, then you had to wait a second, then open the window again, then pick your board, close the window, and after that you could upload. And now it's just so much easier, even for beginners to understand. The upload system has this really great new update, I guess. It's just so much quicker than before, it's unbelievable. This is the old one. And this is the 2.0. Yeah, it's only a few seconds really, but if you have code like 2 or 3,000 lines long, this makes all the difference in the world. Next update is this sketchbook thing. If you used Arduino Create as your main software, you saved all your files in this thing called Arduino Cloud. And if you wanted to make a transition from Arduino Create to Arduino IDE, there was absolutely no way you could do this other than downloading the files one by one, which is obviously a horrible idea. If you sign in to the Arduino Cloud, all your files will be automatically transferred there. So the transition was never easier actually. It's nice that they are trying to make this network, Arduino Create connected to Arduino Cloud, and it's all connected to the Arduino 2.0 now, but in real life it's not that great. We are getting to this absolutely new thing called debugging system, and I think it's great. I would love to use it, but for now it's only supported by SAMD platform, so we'll have to wait some time. So my coding experience with the Arduino 2.0 is really positive actually. Arduino is trying to make it easier for beginners to use their softwares, and this new function they added is really a huge step in the right way. This new function is that if you hover with your mouse on some function in the code, it will explain to you how to use the function and what it is. And I think that's absolutely amazing. Same thing goes with variables. and if you have any significant mistakes in your code, it just underlines them and that's that. We can get into more details about this new software in the next video, but for now it's all from me and goodbye.